Okay, this is an instructional video on a SIM product off-square detection and reject system. This particular one has 4 eyes. The reason for the 4 eyes is so that even if the book comes in crooked, it can detect a mistrimmed book. In this example, as the book comes through, a little static testing there, right when that eye is just seen the off transition, this eye has to see the book. Same thing over there. So really, it's like 2 separate long book detectors. Each one is working independently, but so that if either one of them, if this one detects an off transition and this one is off, it's going to call the book bad, and it's going to fire this into this reject. So like in this example here, you can see this book, the corner is torn. So as the book travels through, as soon as that trailing edge is detected, you can see there's a mess up there that it's not. So the reject fires, and then the book will run up into this here tray. Right now it's off. This is just static. We'll run the line in a minute. Red light indicates a reject. This is to turn the system on, off. This is a quality book detection button, which I will demonstrate in a minute. So then the reject will stay up until what we got here? Sorry. Must have flagged the eye. Okay, it stays up until a good book passes through. Here's the good book. Now it goes down. And let's say that the book is short, like a book gets turned in the raceway long, like that. It's still going to call the book bad because these eyes over here did not see anything. Same thing as that one. The only thing that counts as a good book, both sets of eyes have to make, and then right on the trailing edge, if the front sensor's on, the fingers go down and the book passes through. Makes sense, right? Okay, we're back again. As you can see here, the lug is right on the trailing edge. This is a good side. And this lug here, the good book in front, would actually be up ahead here, right ahead of the reject fingers there. So these eyes in the back, those are used to time in the reject. So when making adjustments to your book size, you leave these eyes alone. They don't need to move. And they don't even have to be in a line with each other necessarily, but they just need to be close for this timing. This is the eye that you move. If the book is longer, you would move it farther out, or shorter, farther in. The only reason you move these back ones if you want to change reject timing, which you really shouldn't need to do. Okay, now this is a good book, but we want to simulate a quality control check. We want to reject it just so we can inspect it. So if I hold the quality control button and we pass the good book through, go ahead. Even though the eyes make properly, it still rejects. Okay. Now if I let off the button and we pass it through, now it's a good book. So now we'll run the line and simulate it in a live run. See the motor running here now. So now this one here, this is a bad book. Reject fires. There goes your book into the tray. The good book comes through. fingers go down, passes on.